Here we are at Farrell Cooper's mine in Stigler, Oklahoma. This is Liberty number 4. And here we have a D9 I just fired up. And I'm going to do a little walk around for y'all so I can show you what a D9 consists of. Here's the front. As you can see, that's a pretty big blade there, capable of moving quite a bit of dirt and overburden. I'm going to fan around here and show you. This is up on top of the pit. As you can see, the drag lines over here. It's a 45-yard bucket. They're replacing some bushings real quick before they get fired up again. It runs 24/7. Now back over here to the D9. Got the lights and everything else, as you can see. Here's a look from this side. And now let's go up and jump in the cab. We've had quite a bit of rain lately, so bear with me. Alright, and this is the inside of the cab. This is an older version of a D9. It's a 1989 model. Anyways, we've got our, basically these are clutch controls which turn you to the left and to the right. Then we have our gas here, brake. This turns the engine off and also puts your throttle down at idle. Here, as you can see, the lever, as I pull up, it raises the front blade up. Push it down, puts it down. Let's go ahead and raise it up and we'll take a little spin in this puppy. Alright, got it off the ground. Now let's close these doors. Alright, we've got the parking brake engaged and we're going to go ahead and release that. Which now we are active and live. We're going to raise the ripper up in the back and get going. Let's see what we can do. Alright, got the brake on, front blade up. Let's go ahead and put her in gear. And we're off. It runs at full RPM when you take your foot off the gas. It's opposite from a car. When you push, it slows down. Here I am. I'm going to go ahead and turn left. Pull, and it goes. Turn a little more left. Go ahead and put it in second gear. Decelerate, you push. For some reason you want to brake. You can push that and it stops it right away. Alright, we'll get going again here. Alright, now I'm going to push some dirt, and this is going to be for reclamation. And anyways, let's see if I can do this and film at the same time. Slow down in the first gear. Go ahead and lower my blade. Alright, and now we're pushing. when I'm trying to steer, after I've got a load on my bucket, instead of burning the clutches out, I'll tilt my blade to the right and left according to where I need to go, so that way I don't burn my clutch out. As you can see, we've got some spoil that's starting to spill over. I'm going to stop for a minute, and I want to show y'all behind me what it looks like when you've pushed. As you can see, there's a little bit of a kind of bench there. That's very mild. And we'll keep on going. I kind of just give little inputs to the left, to the right, according to what my blade needs to be doing. As I'm finessing, I'm not hogging dirt, and so this takes a little more movement. When you're hogging dirt down in the pit, it's a whole different deal. You want to get as much as you can and stay within your bench to maximize your productivity. And that'll be our next lesson, which is coming up tomorrow. Alright, and this is Curtis Farrell with Farrell Cooper Mining, and this is D9.